video is a paid advertisement for diecastexclusive.com.
And now, here we go.
Garbage Family Show!
Hey, Garbage Family Show friends! My friends at diecastexclusive.com just sent me this package in the mail, and something tells me it's going to be related to first gear. So therefore, I brought my entire first gear collection out to celebrate this opening. Here I got some waste management pythons and front end loaders with the mat cab. And this roll-off I unboxed in a previous video. We also got from diecastexclusive.com. It's a really good truck and it does really cool stuff like this. And I also brought out some of my Curotto-Cans, dumpsters, more dumpsters. This one goes with this truck over here. Some tiny first gear garbage cans, a Slam & Eagle Curotto-Can, and another blue dumpster. Over here, we have a waste management rear loader that's definitely seen better days. Over here, we have a heel jumbo mat cab front end loader. Unfortunately, one of the forks is broken, but otherwise it's a perfect truck. And yeah, I brought everything out, even my Peterbilt sign over here. Let's open this box. We'll start by ripping this off. Of course that happens. Why wouldn't it? Let's just get to opening. Moment of truth, Garbage Family Show friends. Let's see what they sent me in the mail. Got a box, Garbage Family Show friends. Okay, we have our box. Let's do this cut with the scissors. And now, here we go. Look at that, Garbage Family Show friends. It says first gear on it and AR blue like we saw in the box. It's not the size of any of these trucks, so I don't know what it could be. Let's see. Maybe a new dumpster. Moment of truth. It's a Curotto-Can! We couldn't buy these for a long period of time, but now we finally got one. Wow. Let's open it up. Let's bring out all the Curotto-Cans that I have here. I only have two, yellow and green. So let's see what this could be. It's blue. So let's see. Open that up. Oh, I see it, Garbage Family Show friends. Let's try and get it out of here. Moment of truth. Now let's remove the plastic cover. That was custom made for this. You can see it, Garbage Family Show friends. Look, it gave us a small, little Republic Services Curotto-Can. Though it doesn't have the logo, I can tell by heart that that's what it is. Look at the details on this Curotto-Can. I love the blue paint, safety stripes, and yellow grabber. And now it's time to put this baby in action. First use of the first gear Curotto-Can. Grabbers work pretty good. On to the next one. It looks so lifelike. Great quality craftsmanship. Way cool. Let's compare this one with a live truck. Time for some live garbage truck action. Nice grab. Time to dump the Curotto-Can. Works perfect. Here's a view from up top. You can really see the arm extension from this angle. keep in mind, if you buy one of these, they're not really toys. They're models and could break easy. So play with them carefully. Here, I just out the mini bin wheels. Very realistic. Let's dump a few more bins with some live action Republic Services truck video. Just like the real thing, right? And here's a view from the other side. Up it goes. Now let's see if I can dump it with just one hand. And now it's time for the review. I love all the tiny details it has, like stickers, hydraulics, and branding. The little flaps on here are so cool, as well as the caution tape. And I love how far it can extend. This is a great product. Be sure to buy this at diecastexclusive.com because this is incredible and they're finally back in stock. We're going to put a link in the description below so you can buy this. It's a really fun toy, even though it's supposed to be a model, but it's really fun to play with because it's just like real life. And if you have a Curotto-Can in your city, you can reenact it and pretend you're the Curotto-Can driver. So if you want to buy it, be sure to buy it at diecastexclusive.com because they are amazing and they sell amazing Curotto-Cans. Thanks for watching Garden Sammy Show, friends, and see you in the next one.
This was a paid advertisement for diecastexclusive.com.